Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The use case is clearest with real estate agents and brokers, where properties need to be sold and thus, buyer leads need to be generated on their websites. Having a virtual house tour can also indirectly influence finding future property sellers that prefer working with a broker or agent that has virtual house tours.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
When deciding on who to sell their house with, this is going to be an important factor for the vendor, as not only does the addition of virtual tours lead to more qualified viewings of their properties, but these tours also increase the likelihood of a quicker sale, due to increased interest from buyers.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Virtual tours are used extensively for universities and in the real estate and hospitality industries. Virtual tours can allow a user to view an environment while online. Currently, a variety of industries use such technology to help market their services and product.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
A virtual tour allows the homebuyer to explore each room completely with 360 degrees movement, says Klum. You can see each room from every angle and perspective. You can look down to see the flooring and up to see the ceiling. You can move through the space however you want.
Take our lead.
Here are the 8 steps to make a virtual tour for real estate. Choose the right equipment and software. Plan your shots. Stage each room. Level the tripod. Take test shots first. Take all photos on your image list. Create your virtual tour. Share your virtual tour.
Take our lead.
How to make a 360 virtual tour for real estate. Choose a camera. Choosing a camera that captures 3D images and 360 video is the first step for your project. Taking 3D pictures and 360 videos. Check your audio. Stitching together your virtual tour. Use BRIOVR to share your VR tour.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
What is a virtual tour? Virtual tours, also known as 3D tours or 3D walkthroughs, allow buyers to digitally tour a for-sale home. The online home shopper controls which part of the house they look at and from which angle. Think of it like Street View on Google Maps, but for the inside of a home.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.